Good morning everyone. So today I have Ethiopian Hambella Guji beans. It's a process going to be natural and it's a high altitude beans. Alright, so let's make a Cortado with that beans. So by the way, it's a Ethiopian Hambella. It's a premium beans in the world, one of premium. Okay, so what do you know about the Ethiopian Hambella Guji district beans? So just comment down below. Feel free to anyone, just comment it so we can easily understand what is it and we can learn about within your comments. By the way, so we already filled it up with that beans Ethiopia. There you go. So dose is 19 gram. Make sure release the water and clean in the deep tray. So let's make a Cortado with that. Good morning. How you doing? I'm a latte, sure. No problem. I'll sit. I'll bring for you. So see how it looks like. See the crema. Let's try that. Perfect.